Hey everybody. So I got mud flaps for the Model X, and I put them on today, and it came out good. I had seen another YouTube who has the same car as I do. He's got the Plaid, and he got them from somewhere else. I think they were $49, but I compared the photo that was on the website he got his from, and I found the exact same ones on Amazon, and I paid $31 for them. And I think when I went to check it this morning, the price was back up to $49. I don't know why it was on sale, but anyway, stay tuned to see the somewhat instructional way of putting them on. There's a few clips for you guys to watch if you're interested to see how to install these. It wasn't that difficult. Not once you got the first couple on. Anyway, to be continued. So here they are. We got rear left, right, a rear left. This is rear left. That one's front left. And this one is another rear right. So these go here. That one goes on the other side. And this one should be front right. There we go. And that's all the hardware. No holes to drill. These will pop right in the existing holes. First thing I'm gonna have to do is turn these wheels to the right to get at these two screws in there, right there. The back tires are gonna be real tough. Hopefully we can do it. All right, look at how simple this is. Take the screw out. I just popped it out with a flathead screwdriver, right? Snaps into the front, and you just put the combination screws right in there. Let's go. Just pop that in. I can't do it with one hand. All right, also what you gotta do is you fit this flap underneath, and there was a screw inside there, same kind of hardware. You take the old one out, you put this longer one in. You just have to screw it down. All right, this one's installed. It took a little bit of doing because these clips are a little tricky. You wanna make sure you get it where it grabs onto this molding. But that one's done. I'm gonna do the other front one. So, also, remember to raise your suspension to the highest, the very high. And those are the front ones. Low profile, that's what you want. Now I gotta do the back ones, which are gonna be tricky. There is hardly any room to get a screwdriver in there. I moved inside of the garage for this. So you pop that in, and you pop the bottom one in. It looks like you got a little room. You're supposed to put the clips here. These clips do not work very well. I may end up using 3M double sticky back to hold this part in place. All right, so this one's installed. The trick is you have to open these clips. You have to, not that much, but you have to spread them open, because it's got to grab the molding behind it too. So there's the finished product. Got the front ones.